How I monetize my YouTube channel for free. Let me show you my analytics works. I have completed my YouTube monetization within 3 weeks. As you can see, my average views are 27 views per hour. My first video I have uploaded on 17th of September and today is 9th of October. So within 3 weeks I have completed my YouTube monetization. From one video I gained 540 subscribers. Let me show you. As you can see, like I have completed 546 subscribers from one video, and my search traffic from browser features and 15 to 16 average views are again. And let me show you my another video, and I'm gaining YouTube search result 97%, and my average views are 5 to 8 per hour. My YouTube traffic is so good. I've completed my monetization so fast. So welcome to Technically. If you guys are new on my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video for more interesting updates, and I will tell you how I grow like this. So how I monetize like this, grow like this, how just follow my step. You have just follow the three steps: write your script, edit your videos, and post your video. I can understand growing on YouTube is so difficult and very hard to grow, but it's okay. You just have to follow my few steps. I already told you how to get free boost your videos. I already uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can check there, and I will tell you every single detail of my boosting steps. So they are three types of things you can perform. One of them is exchange platforms, YouTube ads, and SSM panels. Already many of users already know how to use it and how to earn money from these SSM panels services. And you can say that free exchange platforms where you can earn too much coins and you can redeem on your YouTube channel services, etc. So let's start. So now I'm going to show you the three steps that I have mentioned earlier. So one of these is YouTube ads. So if you want to boost your YouTube videos, you have to apply ads. You can use Instagram ads, you can use Facebook ads, you can use YouTube ads. For YouTube ads, you just have to search Google and search for Google AdSense. It will redirect to their website, and you can earn and you can apply for you can create campaigns, and then you can apply for ads. And second thing is SSM panels. I personally use dg1.me. It's the best SSM panels that I am using right now. So there's the cheaper SSM panel over 10 years with one digital services. So we just have to log in. Okay, I will just click on the order now. I'm already logged in. That's my amount in my SSM panels. I will show you the YouTube services. These are the categories. You want suggested views, country targeted views, country targeted likes, and watch times, etc, etc. So you just have to pay. Okay, so according to this, for 1000 views, likes, or everything, you just have to pay this specific amount. For, as you can see, if you want subscribers, 300 to 500 subscribers per day, you have to pay $8 per 1000 subscribers. So this is very helpful, this is very cheap, and yeah, it's very working. Now I'm going to tell you the monetization technique. The best monetization technique is exchange programs. You can search for YouTube view exchange. If you search this, there are multiple websites like ViewGrave, GrowViews, YTMonster.net, ViewTrader, or Like4G, etc, etc. But don't use this. I personally use YTMonster.io. The link in the description. Go join from my link and get a lot of coins. Okay, so let me a little bit brief. These are my coins, these are my levels, these are my referrals, and of course it's a Russian website, so these are the rupees. I have zero amount in my panels. So that's the dashboard where you can check how many videos you watched and how many coins you earn, and these are the help section where they update and tell us what's happening. These are the our actions. I watched 63-second video and earned 32 coins. So it's kind of exchange program. People watch your videos, and you have to pay the coins, and you watch their videos and earn coins. So it's kind of exchange. So let me show you my task. So as you can see, there is a task peer to profit share bandwidth, so best passive income. So I have 596 out of 5k views. Let me show you my channel. That's why my video, when you click on the analytics page, I will show my analytics. 96.8% YouTube traffic come from my YouTube search, and my average view count is around 5 to 8 views per hour. And let me I have just adjusted. I think we have to when I click on edit, translate to English, and you have choose YouTube traffic, YouTube search hourly basics, execution time 10 views per hour. So as you can see, it's very helpful where you can earn money from this. Let me show you the ad task. The best, these are the traffic source. So you don't need external, you don't need notification, you don't need channel pages. You just have to check on the YouTube search, paste your specific keywords here, like on YouTube views, etc. You can put your keywords here and select the amount, go for the URL. The name is automatically grab what you want, like subscribers, comment and info, etc. How many amount you want. The best thing is the view length. If you have 5 minutes video or 11 minutes video, it will automatically your length and place here. You can get 100% watch time. So that's for a day. If you guys like my video, just subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and help us other to grow. So see ya, bye, thank you.